Right, sometimes it's just knowing the terminology. And for this one, it's here, the X and Y intercepts. All right. Now, I've kind of explained this in class and in some of these videos, but, okay, you are going to get an X intercept. So again, if you're making notes, you're going to get an X intercept when Y equals 0, okay? So if I go down here, there we go, okay? And then whatever that is there, that's the X-intercept, okay? So let's go back on this. You get a Y-intercept when X equals 0. So again, you'd have this, 0 there, question mark there, don't know what it is, okay? So, just try and remember that, use that much later. Remember what the y-intercept and the x-intercept is. The y-intercept is when it cuts the y-axis, so x is 0. The x-intercept is when it cuts the x-axis, so y is 0. I think I said that right way around. Right, let's have a look at some of this then. Okay, so let's just do a simple one before I do this one. I remember going to do one that was on the sheet. Alright, here we go. And I think I remember seeing this on one of your questions, okay? So let's not do the one that you're actually looking at. How about that, okay? So let's just do this one. Let's go down here, some space. So what I'm trying to say is put x equal to 0, okay? If you put x equal to 0, then I'll use an eraser on this. Watch, that's not there, okay? Totally gone. There's no x's. Look what's left. Y equals 5, okay? So when x is 0, you get y equal to 5, and that is the y-intercept. If I use the graph over here, there it is, okay, right there. That point there, okay? X is 0, so I got rid of the x, y is 5. Okay, let's have a look at all this now. Let's just do it again. So the next one I'm going to do is when I put that x back in there, okay, let's go back to where we started. I'm going to do y equal to 0. This will give me the x-intercept, okay? So it's like saying, okay, you know, what's here, all right? Okay, so remember, if y is 0, I'll use the eraser again. Okay, the x-intercept is 5, okay? So let's have a look at this. I think I've erased one of these. I think we had the y-intercept at 5, didn't we, up here? We've got the x-intercept at 5. You would then graph a straight line between those 2 points, okay? Now remember, it goes on forever. I'll just cut through that one, okay? But that's it. That's the graph of x plus y, okay, equals 5. Remember, I put x equal to 0, I got 5. I got y equal to 0, I got x equals 5, okay? So remember, that's how I plotted that one. Right, let's get rid of all this. Might be easy if I just erase it all. Okay, so let's actually go to the one that's actually on this question. Alright, let's do the same technique. It says find the x and y intercepts. And what you're doing when it says that, find the x and y intercepts. The x-intercept is when y equals 0. Okay, that's the x-intercept. And the y-intercept, okay, is when x, what on earth have I done that? Something's happened then. When x equals 0, you get the y-intercept. Okay, just remember that. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do with this here. Right, let's have a look. Let's get rid of all this. Okay, so you can do this little table if you want to. Oops. Let's go for this. X and y. So when x is 0, okay, let's have a look at this. I'm going to say that is not there. Let's put line of x is 0, that's gone. Right, I'm left with negative 5y equals 15. If you divide by the number next to the letter, so it's gone. Divide that by negative 5. Can you see that y equals negative 3? So when x is 0, y equals negative 3. I'm going to plot that right now. Okay, I'm going to go down here and plot it. There you go. Okay, x is 0, y equals negative 3. Okay, let's go back to this. Okie dokie. So I can actually do this if I want to. Okay, if I want to use a table, I'm going to do this. Right, this I'll do y is 0. Not x is 0, but y is 0. That means if we go over to this equation, I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, there, y is 0. It's gone. What I'm left with is 3x equals 15. So divide by a 3, divide by a 3, x equals 5. Okay, again I'll plot that point over here. There it is. Okay, there it is. And then draw a line in between those 2 points. I'm going to extend it a bit. Well, I better put it on here. So, doo-doo, and there we go. Okay, and it goes on forever. It goes on forever, left and right, up and down. So that's it. I've just graphed that by finding the intercepts. In other words, just the y-intercept. Okay, that one there. The y-intercept and the x-intercept. Now remember which is which, all right? Which is the y-intercept, which is the x-intercept. The x-intercept has the x-coordinate, so this, that's a parenthesis, 5, 0 is the x-intercept. 0, -3 is the y-intercept. Okay, now for now I'm not bothered about slope, we'll do those later. Okay, so you've just graphed that by doing the intercepts. Remember again, x equals 0 is a y-intercept. Y equals 0 is an x-intercept. Okay, so there you go.